Meaning of George Patton.
George Patton.
George Patton.
George Patton.
George Patton. George Patton was a renowned American general who served in both World War I and II. He was known for his unorthodox tactics and aggressive leadership style, which earned him the nickname Old Blood and Guts. Patton was a strong proponent of armored warfare and played a pivotal role in leading Allied forces to victory in North Africa and Europe. Despite his controversial personality, he remains a revered figure in American military history and is often cited as one of the greatest generals of all time. Overall, George Patton was a legendary commander who left an indelible mark on the history of war.